Hello everyone, welcome back to another exciting video. Today we're diving into the world of gaming and taking a closer look at the Xbox Series S, the budget-friendly next-gen console from Microsoft. Is this smaller and cheaper Xbox worth your hard-earned money? Or should you shell out a bit more for the Series X? Stick around as we break it all down. Let's kick things off with the Series S's design and size. It's incredible how tiny this console is compared to its big brother, the Series X. In fact, it's a whopping 60% smaller. If space is a concern in your gaming setup, the Series S could be a game changer for you. Not only is the console small, but it also looks sleek in its white design. The matching controller is a nice touch, and it offers all the features you'd expect. What's great is that you can choose to either lay the Series S flat or stand it up, providing flexibility for your setup. Now let's talk about storage. The Series S comes with a 512GB SSD, which is a significant speed upgrade from the previous generation. However, it's only half the size of the Series X's 1TB drive. I'll discuss why this matters and offer some solutions for storage expansion. When it comes to gaming, the Series S offers the same games as the Series X, thanks to game optimization. Game Pass is a game changer, allowing you to access a vast library of titles. Plus, it's incredibly quiet during gameplay, which is always a plus. One fantastic feature shared with the Series X is Quick Resume. This feature lets you switch between games seamlessly, even saving your exact in-game location. However, do keep in mind that the Series S lacks a disk drive, making it a digital-only experience. Here's where things get interesting. The Series S offers impressive gaming, but it's limited to a resolution of 1440p as opposed to the Series X's true 4K capability. I'll show you visual comparisons so you can see the difference for yourself. The Series S doesn't skimp on audio support with Dolby Digital, DTS True HD, and Atmos compatibility. And speaking of streaming, it handles all your favorite apps like Disney+, Netflix, and Amazon Prime, delivering content in 4K for your viewing pleasure. Now let's take a closer look at the specifications and discuss whether the Series S is future-proof. I'll highlight key differences between the Series S and Series X, as well as potential considerations for upcoming games. Before we wrap up, let's explore the available ports on the Series S and take a peek inside the box to see what you'll get when you purchase one. And now the big question, should you buy the Xbox Series S? Well, it all depends on your gaming needs, budget, and display setup. I'll give you my final thoughts and recommendations to help you make the right choice. Thanks for joining me today as we took a deep dive into the Xbox Series S. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to drop an Xbox Series S in the comments, hit that like button, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you never miss our future uploads. Until next time, happy gaming.